unvaccinated. Excuse me? Why was someone in their 90s unvaccinated?
$10,000. It wasn't my time. Was the
With its mix of news, big personalities and conservative commentary, Sky News Australia is used to courting controversy.
Big pharma, big government, big tech are all in this together. And if you don't say what they approve, they'll come after you.
Only on Sky News.
Now the Murdoch-owned News Corp channel has had online videos deleted and is banned from posting videos for a week by the world's largest video platform for content which YouTube says breaks its COVID-19 misinformation policy. In a statement, Google, which owns YouTube, told 7:30 that we have clear and established COVID-19 medical misinformation policies based on local and global health authority guidance to prevent the spread of COVID-19 misinformation that could cause real-world harm. We apply our policies equally for everyone, regardless of uploader. It's unclear which videos or presenters fell foul of the YouTube policy. In response, Sky News has called the decision a, quote, disturbing assault on freedom of thought.
News Corporation, if it's anything like it always has been and like journalists tend to be, relishes a fight.
This is a major development because we're in the middle of a pandemic in Australia, and here you have Australia's #1 news organisation, the Murdoch Media, being banned from putting content onto YouTube because Murdoch has been putting out anti-scientific, unfactual and frankly dangerous information.
The channel, with some 1.8 million YouTube subscribers, has enjoyed enormous popularity with US viewers.
I have no doubt that Sky News Australia has seen the success of their sister company Fox News in America and are modelling themselves on Fox News in America.
Sky News Regional has launched.
The ban came as Sky News Australia gained access to a bigger domestic audience on regional free-to-air stations across the East Coast.
I think it will be logical in due course that a Sky News Australia service is provided free over free-to-air television to all of Australia, capital cities.
It's unclear what impact the one-week ban will have on the business.
I think in the absence of actually seeing which videos caused the takedown, I don't think this is going to affect Sky News at all, you know, commercially or with advertisers. Any advertiser who wants to advertise with Sky News is already well aware of their editorial position.
In a statement, Sky News Australia told 7:30 it expressly rejects that any host has ever denied the existence of COVID-19, as was implied by YouTube, and no such videos were ever published or removed. The communications regulator told 7:30 they've received 23 complaints about Sky's coverage of the COVID pandemic. Most recently, the ACMA received 7 complaints relating to a broadcast on July 12, 2021 of a segment on the Alan Jones program featuring Mr Jones and Craig Kelly MP. However, digital platforms such as YouTube are not currently subject to the same co-regulatory arrangements as Australia's traditional broadcast media.
Whether or not there is a flaw in the regulatory system, in Australia, any self-respecting media organisation in the middle of a public health crisis and a consequential economic crisis would not pump this irresponsible nonsense out through their mainstream media organisation in pursuit of an ideological, political and, dare I say it, commercial agenda.
A spokesperson for the Minister of Communications, Paul Fletcher, told 7:30 that the Morrison government expects online platforms such as YouTube to have and to consistently enforce terms of use that prohibit harmfully misleading or illegal content, but that operational decisions regarding the enforcement of a platform's terms of use are a matter for that platform. Greens Senator Sarah Hanson-Young today questioned why the government regulator is not holding Sky to account, intending to call the parties before the Senate inquiry into media diversity.
The Murdoch media strategy in Australia is essentially one to Americanise Australian politics by applying the Fox television formula through the Australian Sky television network.
Hi, I'm Lee Sales. Thanks for watching this story. If you'd like to watch more of 7:30's stories, they are on the left of your screen. And tap on the button below to subscribe and get the latest from ABC News.